Good Wednesday evening to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers, and this is your outlook for Thursday, May 23rd, 2013. Starting off with the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for today for severe weather, and they have the C text over our area here, and that is because there is, despite a cold front that's moving toward our area, there's going to be a lot of cloud cover this morning that we're expecting, and the cloud cover is one of the things that will kill the instability in a heartbeat, and the cold front will be coming across our area, very slow-moving cold front. Will be marching across our area and pressing east. However, we think there's going to be enough cloud cover early on that will help destabilize or keep the atmosphere stable enough that we won't be dealing with severe weather. But so we have taken Eastern PA Weather Authority, the website, out of severe weather mode, and we have just thunderstorms that we are expecting, but widespread thunderstorms, but not expecting anything to reach severe limits except in very extreme isolated cases. And a lot of that will depend on how much sun we do get tomorrow, if at all. Now, if it does come out tomorrow and it winds up being out for a couple hours, we can get some destabilization, and destabilization, of course, is one of the key ingredients for severe weather. But right now we're going for widespread thunderstorms with the potential for producing heavy rainfall and strong winds greater than 40 miles an hour. Still think we get, with a cold upper level system coming in, we could get some hail out of this, large hail, but again not reaching severe limits, and frequent cloud ground lightning if there is enough instability, which we think we should be around between 500 and 1,000 joules per kilogram, which it could be enough to produce a isolated report here and there. But here's the NAM high-res future radar, and this is for 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see there's plenty of showers and thunderstorms with some really heavy rainfall embedded here. Keep in mind these reds here don't necessarily mean severe, or just mean this is just a radar reflectivity composite of what the radar is expected to look like at that time, and just some heavy rainfall. This is what this is indicating here. So again, we might have an isolated report. It's going to depend on how much cloud cover is around in the morning, and right now the latest guidance is suggesting that it will be enough cloud cover to make the atmosphere stable enough to prevent severe weather from occurring. Okay, moving on to Friday. We're getting into our holiday weekend here. Friday, I think, is going to end up mostly cloudy again. We're going to have a few showers. They're going to be pressing through. It's not going to be a total washout. These are going to be light here. This is off the NAM model here, and you see got some showers over starting off the day in the morning across central PA here, and then as you go forward in time past that point, here's the afternoon is moving over to eastern PA here, and in the evening we are going to have that right over much of our area here in eastern PA and parts of New Jersey. So we think Friday afternoon, Friday evening could be a little bit wet and a little damp. See, that hangs in the early part of the overnight hours, and then it clears out later is what we're thinking. The NAM has that clearing out Saturday morning. GFS does something very similar, and the GFS has the showers Friday morning kind of lingering here, Friday evening and even overnight for the first part of the night, but then it does start pulling away with that low pressure heading up the coast toward New England. It is not going to be a good Memorial Day weekend up here in this area if you are traveling to that area, but this area should clear out enough. We think that it should be a nice weekend despite temperatures being chillier, and the reason for that is you're going to have high pressure moving in here, and you can see the high pressure sitting right here. The wind direction around the high pressure is clockwise, so you're going to have winds coming from the north and northwest, and that's going to make the temperatures colder than normal for this time of year. Temperatures typically are in the low to mid 70s across much of our area here, and we're expecting temperatures to be in the mid 60s for a better part of the weekend, and then maybe getting up to 70 or the low 70s as we get into on Memorial Day itself. But we're not expecting any precipitation this weekend. Then we head into next week. The high pressure will then move off the coast, and once you get high pressure sitting in this position right down here, again, clockwise flow around it is going to send warm winds from the southwest, and we warm up quite nicely again next week. Toward the end of the weekend into the next weekend. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers, and that is your outlook for May 23rd, 2013. Have a great day.